KineMaster versus Filmora. Which video editor is better explores how choosing the right video editor can transform your content creation without complicated workflows. Both offer powerful tools but differ in usability and features. KineMaster and Filmora are popular video editing apps designed for creators at different levels. KineMaster focuses on mobile-first editing with detailed control, while Filmora offers a desktop-based experience with intuitive features. The core difference lies in platform focus and user interface simplicity. KineMaster is a mobile video editor available on iOS and Android, designed for on-the-go editing with professional-grade features. It works by layering multiple video and audio tracks, allowing precise trimming, transitions, and effects directly on your smartphone or tablet. Its strengths include a robust multi-layer timeline, real-time previews, and a wide range of built-in effects and asset store options. KineMaster supports 4K exports and integrates WIL with mobile workflows, making it ideal for vloggers, social media creators, and anyone needing quick, powerful editing on mobile devices. However, its interface can feel complex for beginners, and some advanced features require a subscription. Additionally, editing on smaller screens may limit detailed adjustments compared to desktop editors. Overall, KineMaster suits users who prioritize mobility and detailed control without relying on a computer. Filmora is a desktop video editor available for Windows and Mac, known for its user-friendly interface and versatile features. It works by providing a drag-and-drop timeline editor with a wide variety of effects, transitions, and templates that simplify the editing process. Filmora's strengths lie in its balance between simplicity and creative control, offering features like motion tracking, green screen, and audio ducking without overwhelming the user. It supports 4K video editing and exports, making it suitable for YouTubers, hobbyists, and semi-professional creators who want polished results with minimal learning curve. On the downside, Filmora requires a desktop environment which limits mobility. Some users may find it less customizable than more advanced editors, but it excels in providing a smooth editing experience for those who prefer working on a larger screen. Filmora is ideal for those who want powerful editing tools combined with ease of use on their computers. Comparing KineMaster and Filmora highlights key trade-offs. KineMaster excels in mobile editing, offering detailed multi-layer control and real-time previews ideal for creators needing quick edits on smartphones. Filmora, on the other hand, provides a more streamlined desktop experience with drag-and-drop simplicity and advanced features like motion tracking and green screen. If you often edit away from a computer or prioritize multi-layer editing on mobile, KineMaster is the better choice. But if you prefer a larger workspace with straightforward tools and professional effects on desktop, Filmora stands out. Both support 4K exports, but KineMaster's mobile interface may challenge beginners, while Filmora's desktop setup demands a computer but offers a gentler learning curve. Ultimately, your choice depends on your workflow preferences and device availability. Choose KineMaster if you need powerful, multi-layer video editing on mobile devices and want professional features without being tied to a desktop computer. Filmora is best for creators seeking an intuitive desktop editor with versatile effects and easy drag-and-drop controls. It's perfect for those who want polished videos with minimal setup. Selecting the right editor depends on your device and editing style.